Hello, everyone. I am pleased to present to you our company's latest solution. Today, I will introduce the log analysis tool, Debug Analyzer. The presentation includes the following sections. 1. Debug Analyzer Overview. 2. Log Capture and Decode. 3. Preparation before using Debug Analyzer. 4. Core Dump Parser. First, let's have a brief introduction to Debug Analyzer. Debug Analyzer is a tool used for capturing and decoding logs of Realtek Bluetooth SoC chip. The key features supported by this tool include 1. Multiple decoding methods, decode from serial and decode from file. 2. Parse MCU and DSP logs. 3. Log saving. 4. Core dump parsing. A brief introduction to the usage of the Debug Analyzer is provided here. For more detailed information, please refer to the user guide located in the Debug Analyzer directory within the tool folder. Alternatively, you may consult the documentation available in the SDK directory, under Doc, in the file named btaudioSDK.chm, specifically, refer to the section titled UM004 Tool Set Intro for further details. The online document website is shown in the figure. This is the main dialog of Debug Analyzer, which is divided into 6 functional areas. The simple functions are described as follows. 1. Menu bar contains extended settings and operations of Debug Analyzer tool. 2. Contains the optional parsing methods and parsing log output settings. 3. Modify log display. 4. Filter logs by keywords. 5. Log display area mainly includes the ARM area and the DSP area, which are used to show the MCU log and DSP log respectively. 6. Log display mode switch and display the log reading and parsing speed. Next, I will introduce the usage process of the log capture and decode in Debug Analyzer. Step 1. Connect log to RxD in EVB. 1. VIO2 to FTVIO. 2. Rx to log. Step 2. Open Debug Analyzer in the Tool under Debug Analyzer folder. Step 3. Click the Settings option to set parameters. Step 4. Set parameters in the following UI according to requirements and click Confirm button. If select Decode from Serial, you need to set the serial port parameter options correctly, including setting the serial port number, baud rate, and so on. Note: please make sure that the .trace file matches the current SoC running code. Step 5. Click Start button to print log. The decoding results will be displayed in the UI interface below. For local decoding, there is no need to connect the PC and SoC chip. Bin files that are being decoded need to be prepared. Select Decode from File in Decode Input, and choose Bin for decoding to start decoding process. The decoding results will be displayed in the UI interface below. ARM and DSP logs can be displayed in left and right or upper and lower columns. If only focusing on the ARM logs, it is possible to fold the DSP logs display area. The default location for saving log files is the data file folder, which is located in the same directory as Debug Analyzer exe. If decoding from a file, the output file name will start with file decode. View version of Debug Analyzer tool. View method. Click Help on menu bar and select About Analyzer. Next, I will introduce the usage process of the log capture and decode in Debug Analyzer. Note: to generate system log, log output should be set to enable in System Configuration tab of MCU Config tool, as shown in the figure. Next, I will introduce the usage process of Core Dump Parser in Debug Analyzer. The Core Dump Parser is currently used on RTL87X3E, RTL87X3D, and RTL87X3EP. When an exception occurs, and the CPU register and RAM data dump by log, this tool can be used to analyze the register and memory data, then output the hard fault cause and summarize basic information about the call stack of all tasks, and the basic task information such as task running status, stack state, stack size, usage size, stack watermark information, and TCB address. To use Core Dump Parser page, select Extension Tool, Core Dump Parser from the menu bar. Thank you for watching, and have a good day.